Got all the gunmetal Craftsman 120 tooth ratchets, half-inch drive, 3/8 drive, 1/4-inch drive, all on pretty good sale. 8-inch lineman pliers, $10 on sale for $10. Also 10-inch adjustable pliers on sale for $10. Got this 18-piece Kobalt screwdriver set, regularly $30, on sale for $20. Got this Craftsman 230-piece mechanic set, normally $220, on sale for $130. Also with this 81-piece gunmetal mechanic set, regularly $150, half price, or actually less than half off, or more than half off, $70. Trying to compete with that Craftsman, we got this Kobalt 227-piece, regularly $220, on sale for $150. So we got a crazy deal on this Bosch laser planer. All kinds of Apex insulated sockets, like 75% off. Craftsman 4-inch hole softer, $4. Jacobs universal key chuck holders for $1, only $4. And Placo DeWalt 12-inch saw blades, $40, normally $55. All their fight, however you want to say it. This 3-pack of Wi-Fi enabled bulbs for $10, normally $40. $30 margin on those.